This is Stephen Kennard, and you're watching GR News. This is Stephen Kennard with GR News, and these are your headlines. Horror game uses biotech to tell when you're scared. A Lovecraft-inspired horror game by developer redmeatgames called Bring to Light is using wearable biometrics to measure physical responses to on-screen events during gameplay. The system reads and measures a player's heart rate to change the game experience and dial up that terror according to if a player's heart rate reads a certain set of metrics, then the game will throw in even more fear factor to improve the overall game experience. This title is part of a small number of games currently using biometric technology to use players' physical responses to alter the game experience. Keith Maxey explains how this tech really works. Nothing makes your heart rate faster than hearing a racing heartbeat. If you're wearing the heart rate monitor, sometimes you can hear the heartbeat, and it's your own heartbeat. To find out more about this energizing and immersing new gaming technology, follow Bring to Light on Twitter at BTL_game for continued updates. EA is under criminal investigation by Belgian authorities over loot boxes. Brussels' public prosecutor's office has opened a criminal investigation into EA's continued use of loot boxes in their games sold in Belgium. Previously this year, the Belgian Gaming Commission has determined that the use of loot boxes in video games such as Overwatch and FIFA constitutes gambling. Valve, 2K Games, and many other developers have complied, but EA still disagrees. The company's stance continues to be that loot boxes aren't gambling whatsoever. EA's CEO Andrew Wilson was quoted in the media with this rebuttal, stating, "Games were developed and implemented ethically and lawfully around the world and could not be considered as any form of gaming. The drama surrounding the use of loot boxes in games has become a hot-button issue, yet there's this thing we can all agree on. If we didn't buy them, then they wouldn't sell them." For continuing information on these stories and more, like, comment, subscribe to Gamer Redefined. This has been Stephen Kennard with GR News.
Like, comment, subscribe, and tune in every week for fresh content from Gamer Redefined.